Circular economy is often misunderstood. It is not an ideology, it is not a trend, and it is not only about sustainability. Circular economy is about technology, and technology is about efficiency. In modern industry, efficiency means one thing: making more value from the same resources. For decades, industry followed a linear model. Raw materials were extracted, products were manufactured, and waste was discarded. This model worked when raw materials were cheap and environmental pressure was low. Today, this model is breaking. Raw material prices are volatile. Energy costs are rising. Waste disposal is becoming more expensive every year. Most factories still see waste as an unavoidable cost. Transport costs, landfill fees, environmental regulations. But the real problem is not waste itself. The problem is untreated waste, because untreated waste is simply lost value. Technology changed the way industry looks at waste. Modern recycling systems can crush, separate, screen, dry, and process materials with high precision. Automation, sensors, and control systems allow factories to recover valuable materials that were previously discarded. Technology makes waste measurable. Technology makes waste controllable. Technology makes waste reusable. This transformation is happening across industries. In plasterboard recycling, gypsum waste is processed and reused as raw material. In rockwool recycling, mineral fibers are recovered and reintroduced into production. In wastewater recycling, valuable solids and clean water are separated and reused. Different industries, different materials, same principle. Technology closes the loop. Circular economy is not driven by emotions. It is driven by numbers: lower waste handling costs, lower raw material dependency, new revenue streams from recycled output. When recycling systems are designed correctly, payback periods are often measured in years, not decades. Circular economy becomes a competitive advantage. Circular economy is not the future. It is already operating inside factories around the world, quietly, efficiently, profitably. This channel explores the technology, the systems, and the business logic behind profitable recycling, because waste is not a problem. Waste is money.